food trucks you see in the streets right now are serving up stuff that's really unique and different. It's all about a new culinary experience. People like to try and experiment. You know, Chicago's a great culinary city.
I get kind of tired of the whole Jimmy John's Subway fast food stuff.
It's really fast. It's different types of food.
I like the novelty and the variety.
It's kind of a unique experience.
I've tried the cupcake truck, the soul food truck, hot sausage truck, the meaty balls truck, calzone truck, and I've been going to the empanada one because it's pretty good.
When the food trucks come around, it's like a treat.